Oh, yeah, look at you. Hit me again. Hit me one more time.
Hit me
one more time. Hit me one more time. God bless you. Want to hit me one more time now, right?
Mike, calm down. Mike, calm down. Don't hit her, nigga.
One more time, Jamie. You're lucky I don't. You're lucky I don't hit girls, man. I'll drop a bitch, though.
No!
Don't let bitch. Why are you so obsessed with me?
No!
You better get the fuck away from me, bro.
No!
I swear to fucking God.
No!
Listen here, get the fuck away from the stove!
Just a little bit wants to get dropped right now.
Look, these two wet birds, nigga. Oh, they banging.
I want to hit this bitch, but I'm not going to, dog. Let's just go.
Oh!
Ugly ass bitch.
Oh! Oh!
What a god, I'll hurt somebody in this bitch.
Bet.
Keep pointing names for a minute. Why would you ugly ass? You ugly ass bitch.